cup of butter, 1/3 of a cup of sugar. 1 teaspoon of my spice blend would be in the end screen and the cards above. I'm going to whisk all of this. So we have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of oats. I'm not going to add any spices to this because I add the spice to my wet ingredients. 1/2 teaspoon of salt is what we're going to add next. 1/2 tablespoon of baking soda. And now we're going to mix that up. I'm going to give this a nice mixy. This is going to be eggless. Alright, so this is our dry ingredients all ready. Put that to the side. So I don't want the butter and sugar to be too smooth. I want it to be grainy. Alright, so to add to this, I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of my raisins that I had soaking in my wine, my homemade wine. I will leave a playlist of my wine in the cards and in the end screen. So once we combine the raisins with the other wet ingredients, we're now going to add our flour mixture. Little bit at a time. The last bit. And mix this in and set it in our preheating oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to bake this 15 to 20 minutes. No extra milk, no eggs, and not much sugar. I'm trying to put this to be on the healthier side. Some will add bananas. Oats will omit the flour completely, but just add bananas as a replacement for the flour to bind the oats with the sugar and everything else and make the cookies that way. I'm not a fan of banana. So no. Alright, so when time to put it in the pan, I'll be back. So we're going to use our ice cream scoop and scoop out some. So now we're going to put this in our preheating oven. I will see you in 15 minutes. So let's let them cool out and we'll give them a taste. Nice and crumbly. It's well cooked on the inside. Crumbly. I am not a lover of raisins, so I will typically pull them out, but they add a really nice flavor to cookies. I don't eat them. Just the right amount of ingredients. Not too sweet, not too much salt, with baking soda, have it really nice. This is a good recipe. Give this a try. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.